Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this hair right here. The hair is initially 613 by Stema hair, but I dyed the hair to this lovely ombre color. So the hair came in this box right here. It has 14 inches closure and 320 inches bundles, and I showed you guys what the hair looks like. I am loving this hair. Look at that, guys. The hair also comes with 4 bendy rollers and bobby pin. So I sprayed the closure with the Got To Be Blasting spray. It was not necessary, but I just love doing it. I used the color Lavender by Ado, and I also used the color African Violet. So in order to achieve the look that I was going for, I actually applied lavender into the water first. I make sure the base of the hair was lavender, so that's what I'm doing right now. So when I'm satisfied with the lavender shade, I decided to add the African Violet, and that's what the color of the African Violet looks like. I didn't open all the bundles because I wanted part of the hair to still have that, lavender tune to it. The hair stayed in forever. I only let the hair sit in there for like a minute, and I was going up and down with the hair like you can tell in the video. So when I'm satisfied with the color that I've got, I dried out the water and put it separately. So for my next bundle, I mixed the African Violet and the lavender together. I tested the hair in the water to check out the color that I was going to get, but I thought I needed more of the African Violet when I tested the water, so I added some more, and I decided, I checked that with tissue as well. So you can tell that I did unfold all the hair in this situation as well, because I wanted part of it to look lighter than the other one, because with watercoloring method, if you fold part of the hair, then part of the hair will be lighter than some, if that makes sense. That's what I did. And for the third bundle, I followed the second steps that I showed you guys earlier, but in this case I was going back and forth with the hair just to be sure of what color I'm getting out of it. But when I'm quite satisfied with that, I went ahead and do the same for the closure as well. And with the closure, I mixed the African Violet and the lavender as well, and I checked that I'm satisfied with it, but I thought it was way too dark, so I added some water to the mixture, and bam, I just inserted the closure. The technique behind this coloring method is the fact that if you want all the color to be the same all throughout the hair, then you make sure you unwrap all the bundles. But if not, the first part that goes into the color takes out all the color, if that makes sense. So all you need to do is unwrap all your bundles and insert the hair at the same time if you want the same color all through the hair. But if not, then you can fold the hair into 4 places, then insert the hair into the solution, if that makes sense. But with watercoloring method, the first part of the hair that gets into the water takes all the color. So I don't know if that makes sense, but I decided to sew the wig right now, and so the lace closure first. As always, I really like the closure, guys. It's so flat. It went totally flat on the wig cap, and after that I sewed the bundles. They were actually 20 inches, 320 inches, so there was no need for me to layer the hair because they were all the same length. That's what the color looks like, guys. I really like the hair, guys. The hair took to color really well. I started sewing the bundles, and I did the folding method really. So but in this case I was sewing the bundles, doubling the bundles from part A to part B in a U shape. But when I got to the top of the cap, I stopped doubling the weft, so the wig can look as flat as possible at the top of it, so it won't look bulky or anything. So that's all I did so far. If you're interested in knowing how I make my wigs, please feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see or would like to know about making my wigs. And that's what the hair looks like, guys. I started sewing it from part A to part B until I got to the top of the wig, and that's what the hair looks like after sewing the wig. It's so lovely, guys. I love this hair. I really can't express how much I love this hair. Words can't express it. Like, seriously, I love the hair so much. And the color is quite dark when it's still wet, because while I was sewing the hair is about 90% dry. welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this hair right here. It's my second time working with this vendor with the same hair, and guys, I have to tell you guys that I am loving this hair. Like seriously, the hair took to the colors really well. I quite love the dimension of the hair right now. I actually showed you guys how I colored this hair using the watercolor method. I used to adore that to achieve this look. And the most amazing thing is the fact that they are currently having a spring season sale and tax return sales in this month of March. So you can get the hair for a very low price. And if you're looking to get black hair, or you're not interested, or you're more interested in black hair or any other color or any other hair color, then feel free to check out their website for more details. But as far as this hair goes, I am loving the hair. I really love the quality of the hair, and I love the fact that the hair is really full. Look at that, guys. I love the fact that I've been running my hand through it and there'll be no shedding or tangling. And I also love the fact that the vendor is really responsive and they keep you up to date as to when your hair would be delivered, and all their shipping is also really quick. It took about 3 days to get here in the UK, depending on when you really need your hair. So order your hair in advance, you definitely get your hair in 3 days. Another thing that I really like about the hair is the fact that the luster is still there, guys. Look at that. I didn't add anything into the hair apart from the itch protection spray, but look at that, guys. It has this glossy glowy look to it. I don't know if you guys can tell from the camera, but in real life when you see it, it has this luster to it, and I didn't add anything to it at all because I'm always very scared to add products on my hair because I don't want any products to weigh the hair down. I'm quite surprised as to how this hair is giving me that glossy look to it. I don't know if it's just me, but if you guys can tell in the camera, please comment down below and let me know. And also throughout the coloring process of the hair, there was no problem whatsoever at all. Because this is my second time working with the vendor, I actually appreciate the fact that the first hair was the same quality as the second hair, which is really good. The hair is actually in the length 20, 20 and 14, so I actually didn't need to layer the hair because they were all the same length, apart from the closure, which is in the length 14, just to give the hair more dimension. And I really like this hair, guys, because there'll be no shedding or tangling whatsoever. And I love the fact that the hair took to colors really well, and curling the hair was very easy for me. As you can tell from the video that the hair just slips through the color very easily. Like, I really love how well it holds curls as well. And another thing that I really like about this hair is the fact that the closure has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, so depending on where you really want to part your hair, you can part your hair anywhere within the 4x4 closure, depending on the look you're going for. This is length 20 and it's almost to my waist. The hair is also true to length. The amazing thing that I love about Stema hair is the fact that the quality of their hair is always amazing. Like the first one that I showed you guys, which was for the blue hair, the same quality as this one, which is quite amazing. And I like the fact that I'm able to manipulate the hair. The vendor also have different kind of hairstyle in terms of bob, body wave, straight, deep wave, all type of hairstyle. They also have different hair colors as well, so feel free to check out their website and let me know what you guys think. And also I like the fact that the hair is just amazing, and bear in mind that the closure has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, so depending on the look you're going for. And they also have 613 bob, but the type that don't have time to make your own wig. They also have bob 613 and long 613, depending on the look you're going for. They have all types of hair on their website, and it's even amazing now that they have spring season sales, so you can get any of their hair at a bargain price. A very good quality, guys, very good quality. Another thing I really like about the hair is the fact that the hair is really soft and very easy to work with. So you can curl it, you can straighten it, you can use any curling tools that you've got to work on this hair, and you get an amazing result, just like I. Another thing I like about the hair is the fact that the closure also lay down really flat, so it makes it easier for you to be able to style the hair anyhow you like. Their weft is also double drawn, which makes the hair even fuller with 3 bundles. Like as you can tell right now, the hair is really full. Look at that. The hair is really full, and my hands just go straight into it without any tangling or shedding whatsoever. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. Please feel free to check out their spring season sale and let me know what you guys think. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.